Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you some little birds I painted. I have a wine glass here, and I have a bottle of wine and a candle. And as you can see, I painted, I have some little flowers here with the birds, and they're cute. And then I put happy birthday to my daughter. And I baked it so it's on there permanent. And I have our bottle of wine. And I have little birds to match, and little flowers, and also a little bluebird to match that one over there. And little flowers too. And then I have a candle here. And of course I couldn't bake these on. I had to spray it with some good spray on it. So, and then I have the little bird here to match. So that's her little birthday gift. And so I just wanted to show y'all how easy it is to make a little gift with your enamel paints on glass. And here's the little yellow birds to match. And you could put your little saying, you know, whatever you'd like to put on there for somebody. So it's a good way to make a gift, personalize a gift for them. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Just make somebody something special for them, you know. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this. Hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourselves. Take care of others too. Okay, come back again. Thank you again for being here. Bye for now.